President Donald Trump has issued a stark warning ahead of a major upcoming ruling from the United States Supreme Court, saying that if the court strikes down parts of his tariff policy, the U.S. could be, quote-unquote, screwed financially and politically. President Trump warned publicly that if the Supreme Court rules that his tariffs were imposed beyond presidential authority, the U.S. government could be forced to repay massive sums of money. He called any such outcome a complete mess and said the country would be, quote-unquote, screwed. The legal fight centers on whether Trump exceeded his powers by imposing broad tariffs under the International Emergency Economic Powers Act, IEEPA, a law meant for emergency economic action, not sweeping trade duties. During oral arguments, Supreme Court justices expressed serious doubts about that legal basis. Lower courts, including the U.S. Court of International Trade and the U.S. Courts of Appeals, already ruled many of these tariffs are illegal. And that ruling did not take immediate effect, leaving tariffs in place while the government appealed. Now the Supreme Court is expected to issue a final ruling, possibly this week. The tariffs in question are global in scale, reciprocal duties on nearly every U.S. trading partner, and special levies on countries including China, Mexico, Canada, and others. Now, these are not the separate sector-specific tariffs like steel or aluminum that fall under other laws. If the Supreme Court overturns these tariffs, U.S. importers may be entitled to refunds of hundreds of billions. Trump says total costs, including business and foreign investment effects, could be in the trillions. Markets and international trade flows could see significant volatility.